Hello students, how are you all? So this is the second part of this chapter. Chapter 8 is am and are. So student, till now we have discussed this picture and we have read these sentences which are given here, and in this is explained that how is am and are we can use with these sentences, and we have done this exercise also, this one, okay students, and this one also. In this we have to match these sentences with the pictures as we have done this match the following. And now we'll be doing the second exercise, that is complete this passage with the correct words. So now let's begin with it. So choose the correct words to complete this passage. Then the first one, Salman dash on the stage. So in this we have to use the singular one. That means because Salman is singular, so we'll be using is on the stage. So Salman is on the stage. He dash with Dolma. So where he is with Dolma. So we'll be using is with Dolma. This is also singular one. They dash ready to play. So now they are both on the stage. So that means there are more than one. So we'll be using are with it. So they are ready to play. Now here is another one. Dolma dash on the drums. So Dolma is on the drums. So we can see in the picture also here, Dolma is on the drums. Now here is another one. I dash excited. So I am excited. That is also singular. Okay. We dash all set for the annual day function. So we, when we are using we, that is we are using the plural nouns. So that means we will be using are with it. So are all set for the annual day function. Then dash are you you ready for some fun? So we'll be using are with it. Are you ready for some fun? Okay students, so this is how we have to do this exercise. Now let's begin with the another one. Read these sentences. Now we have to read these sentences which are given below the pictures. So first one, this is a puppy. So we can see a puppy over here, and that means this is a singular puppy. So this is a puppy. These are puppies. So there are more than one puppies. So these are puppies. Now here is another one. That is an aeroplane. So this is a singular aeroplane. So that is an aeroplane. Those are birds. So we can see more than one birds. That means they are flying in the sky, and the girl is pointing towards them. So those are birds. Notice the use of is with this and that. Are is used for these and those. So students, have you noticed that when we are using the singular one, so we are using this and that. That means if we are using is, we are using with this and that. And when we are using plural nouns, that means are, and then we are using these and those. Okay students, so now if you want to understand, then we'll be doing some exercise. So look at these pictures. Make using this is, that is, these are, and those are. So students, now we have to fill in the blanks with these words. That means this is, that is, these are, and those are. Okay students, so now let's begin with the exercise. So first two are the examples. So we have to do the same as it is. This is a ball. So students, there is a boy who is saying this is a ball. So another one, that is a ball. So students, in this picture we can see the difference, that ball is not near to the boy. So that's why he is saying that is the ball. That is a ball. So it is far away from the boy. So he is saying that is a ball. So now here is another one. In this we can see the girl with a dog. So that means we will be using this is a dog, like this. So why we have used this sentence, this is a dog, because the girl is near to the dog and she is pointing towards the dog. Now in the another sentence, which is fourth one, in this the dog is far away from the girl. So he is saying that is a dog, because the dog is far away from the girl. So she is saying that is a dog. Now here is another one. These are balloons. So students, we are using these for the balloons because there are more than one. So we are writing like this. These are balloons. Okay students, so this is how we have to write it down. Then the balloons are far away from the boy. So he is saying those are the balloons. THOSE, those are balloons. Okay, so that means which are far from us, we'll be using those and that for it, and which are nearer to us, we'll be using this and this for it. Okay students, so let's begin with the another one. There is another exercise which is here. Like we can see, Arav is showing his room to his friend. So Arav is showing his room to his friend. Help him complete the sentences using is and are. So now in this fill in the blanks, we will be using is and are to complete the sentences. Let's see the picture first. Here we can see the picture. So this is the room of Arav, and now we will complete the sentence. So let's begin with it. First one, this dash my room. So this is my room. Okay. Then those dash my books. So those are my books. That dash my study table. That is my study table. There dash a big window in my room. There is a big window in my room. Okay students, so now here we can go with the another one. Dash a bed as well. So is a bed as well. There is a bed as well. That dash a table lamp on my study table. That is a table lamp on my study table. So we can see in the images like this. Okay students, so this is how we have come to the end of this part 2 of this chapter. In the another part, we will discuss the further topics of this chapter. So thank you class, have a nice day.